Ms. McKissick, I just want to start with something that you testified to earlier. You said that you were aware that if Mr. Coleman chooses to continue to work, that his disability will be forfeited, correct? And you are aware that Mr. Coleman has been employed with TCU starting this season?
Correct.
Correct. And has Mr. Coleman given you any impression that he intends to stop working for TCU?
Yes, he said that if he's not going to get more than what total and permanent disability offers, then he won't continue to work.
Okay. Has he
Not true.
ever,
Hold on one
Mr.
second.
Coleman?
Mr. Coleman, it is not your turn, sir.
Yes,
So you don't have to respond
Yes,
to
ma'am.
what she's saying, and you don't have to make faces. You don't have to do any of that. Okay, sir? Thank you. Go ahead, Mr. Hampton.
And you are aware of the fact that Mr. Coleman has been receiving this disability since approximately January of last year? Okay. So he's passed the 6-month threshold for when he could potentially be kicked off of his disability. Is that correct?
Well, he told me that they extended it to 12 months so that he would be able to finish out the season and then make a decision.
Okay. So my question was that he's passed the 6-month threshold for when he could potentially be kicked off. That's correct.
I have no idea. I'm just going based off what he told me.
Okay. So what we can agree is that if he does continue to work, he will be voluntarily forfeiting his disability. Is that correct?
Correct. To make less.
So, okay. But by
less for our daughter.
But by that definition, that would make his current disability temporary, correct? It's not guaranteed.
It would have been guaranteed if he didn't choose to work. So the whole point of the disability was because he couldn't work.
Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive.
Objection sustained. Ms. McIsaac, just answer the question that the council asked you.
Okay.
I'll pose my question again. So that makes the very nature of this disability temporary, correct? The next thing I want to talk about is you mentioned that you need approximately $300 a month for the nanny. Is that correct? The nanny that Mr. Coleman was currently paying for, was that nanny covering times when your daughter was in your possession or when your daughter was in his possession?
It would be when I'm at work.
Okay. So if you were at work, were there any instances in which his mom was caring for your daughter?
Yes, on the weekends.
Okay. And if she was supposed to be with you for a weekend and you had to work, where was your daughter?
That incident hasn't occurred yet.
So based on that, your $300 a month calculation is an estimate because you've never dealt with this situation before?